Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths. So this week and for the next 3 weeks, we will be covering chapter 2, which is matrices. Let's have a look at the whole syllabus of this semester. So, as you can see, the module was divided into two main parts, linear algebra and calculus in higher dimensions, yeah? So of course we're still in the linear algebra part, but we already completed chapter 1, vector spaces. And this chapter was essential because understanding vector spaces will now enable you to understand matrices. Matrices is such an important topic. Before we start with matrices, please remember that there is weekly coursework to hand in about last week. Yeah. So always the week after a topic is covered in the videos, you are supposed to hand in the coursework. So please don't forget about that. But now we will start with matrices. Matrices are incredibly important in physics, and the next video is all about the motivation of why matrices are important. And then it explains what matrices really are. So let me talk a little bit about this. I know some of you might have already, in fact, most of you have already seen matrices previously. So you have seen what a matrix is, you have seen how to multiply matrices, but probably nobody really explained to you why things were the way they are. So you were told how to multiply matrices, but nobody justified to you why this is like this, right? At least that happened to me. So this time I was going to teach matrices and I said, no, I'm going to do it the proper way. So in the next video, I put a lot of effort into that and I'm going to really explain to you what matrices are, okay? And you are going to understand it perfectly. So that will be the 2.1 topic, which although I summarized it here as linear transformations, matrix, trace, and determinant, the full title of this 2.1 is Introduction to Matrices as Linear Transformations and Basic Matrix Operations. So this will take us the entire week in this 2.1, this section 2.1. Then the next week it will be 2.2 and 2.3 together, and then a third week will be 2.4. So let's go. Next you have to watch this video introducing you to matrices. So enjoy and have fun.